Hi! In the next few minutes, we're going to take a look at some of the highlights in this new release of LoadRunner Professional. Let's start with DevWeb, where you now have easier script maintenance with the ability to parameterize your server names at runtime. And when generating new Swagger APIs, you can avoid overwriting the main.js file. Another helpful addition for the Swagger API function calls is the automatic generation of correlation extractors and appliers in the script. You can also now set the first line of data to use in your DevWeb parameter files. If you need to test your applications on the new Chromium-based Edge browser, you can use the Web HTTP HTML protocol. You can also use the TruClient Chromium browser for your tests on New Edge. Continuing with TruClient, you can now set the end status for open transactions using the new TruClient Transaction status APIs. For the Citrix protocol, you can add OCR text synchronization APIs to your script, giving you more stability for replay. This OCR sync method can be used across all supported Windows versions. Moving on to Controller, where the redesigned new scenario dialog box now includes the option to add Selenium scripts to your scenarios. For this integration, you define run settings in Controller and within the Selenium script itself. You then view test results in the standard controller graphs. Next up, the JMeter and Gatling integrations. Both applications are now installed as part of your LoadRunner Professional deployment, with many integration improvements. For JMeter scripts, multiple thread groups are imported as multiple vUser groups. And Gatling scripts can include jar extensions. For both script types, you now have greater control over vUser settings, and you can view test results in various controller graphs, including hits per second and throughput. And lastly, the Dynatrace integration now includes monitoring for on-prem Dynatrace Managed. You set up the Dynatrace environment and define monitor information in the Dynatrace SaaS Managed Graph. You can then view real-time performance data for the selected metrics. Check out the Help Center to learn more and enjoy the new LoadRunner Professional release.